Okay, boys and girls, this is Chapter 7's test review, last page. Let's read the problem for number 12. Wes has 4 nickels and 10 pennies. Draw to show this amount using a different group of coins. Okay, so how much, you have to decide right now, how much is 4 nickels and 10 pennies? Count in your head real quick. 4 nickels. How much do nickels cost? 5. So 4 nickels and 10 pennies. Raise your hand when you have it. 4 nickels and 10 pennies. How much is it, everybody?
36.
Oh, I have a lot of different things. So let's look at this. 4 nickels. Okay. 5 plus 10 pennies would be 30. So we draw another group of coins that equals 30 cents, but not that, not the 5 or 4 nickels and 10 pennies. Different way to do it. What's a different way? Grayson?
A quarter
Quarter
and a nickel.
and a nickel? Okay, quarter and a nickel. Explain how you decided what to draw. A quarter is 25 cents. So I need 5 more cents to get to 30 cents. A quarter is 25 cents. So I chose a nickel 2. The nickel's 5. All right, now let's go to the performance task. Those of you that are maybe just watching this video, if I'm going too fast, just push the pause button and pause me for right now. And write the rest of your sentence, and then you may play again for the rest of this. Number 13, everybody read the directions.
The clock showed when Rachel started each activity. Write the time for each activity.
Okay, for right now, let's go to the first one. What is the hour for the first clock? What's the hour, Ivan? It's between 3 and 4, so it is 3. What are the minutes on that first clock? If it's pointing to the 9, what are those minutes? Matthias? 45. Okay. Now let's do the next one. Play soccer. What's the hour hand on, Isaac? And so that would be what hour? 3 o'clock. Now what's the minutes though, Lena? 05, yes, 05. And then let's look at, read a book. What's the hour, Kinley? 3, and what's the minutes? Jason? 20. Okay, boys and girls, those are all in the kind of like the same hour, right? It's like a lot of activities in the same hour, but we don't know if they're AM or PM. Okay. Look at this question. Do you think these are AM times or PM times? Explain. Are you going to eat a snack, play soccer, and read a book at 3 o'clock, or 3:45, 3:05, and 3:20 a.m.? Or all those times in p.m.? What do you think, Landon? Why do you think that? Because we have to explain.
Because it wouldn't make any sense to do all of this stuff in the morning, but you could.
Okay, but if it was in the morning, what would it be like?
Dark.
It'd be dark out. Okay,
Can't
because
see anything.
yeah, so you probably wouldn't be eating a snack, playing soccer outside, and reading a book in the dark, would you? No. Okay, so we're gonna say p.m. P dot m dot capital P dot m dot. Okay, p.m. and we're gonna write because it says what do you think? Explain. So because p.m. because 3 in the morning is dark. And I am still, what are you still doing? Sleeping. Okay. When you guys get this all done, you guys can then work on the rest of it, because all the rest is just review.